Samosa recipe. For the dough, 1 cup all-purpose flour maida, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, a pinch of salt, cold water, as needed. For the filling, 2 medium-sized potatoes, boiled, peeled, and diced 1/2 cup green peas, fresh or frozen, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, finely chopped. Adjust to your spice preference, 1 teaspoon ginger, garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped. Salt to taste, oil for deep frying. Dough preparation. A. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. B. Gradually add cold water and knead the mixture into a stiff dough. The dough should not be too soft or too sticky. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Filling. Filling preparation. A. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds and let them sizzle. B. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté until they turn translucent. C. Stir in the ginger, garlic paste, and chopped green chilies. Sauté for another minute. E. Now, add the diced boiled potatoes, ground coriander, ground turmeric, garam masala, and salt. Mix everything together and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. F. Sprinkle fresh chopped coriander leaves and turn off the heat. Let the filling cool down to room temperature. A. Divide the dough into small lemon-sized balls and roll each ball into a flat, thin disc. You can use a rolling pin for this. B. Cut each disc in half to form semicircles. C. Take 1 semicircle with the straight edge with water and shape it into a cone by bringing the 2 ends together and sealing them. Ensure there are no gaps at the bottom. D. Fill the cone with the prepared vegetable filling, about 2 teaspoons or as desired. E. Apply some water on the open edges of the cone and press them together to seal the samosa. F. Repeat the process for the rest of the dough and filling. Frying. A. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. B. Gently slide 2 to 3 samosas into the hot oil and fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. This should take around 3 to 4 minutes per batch. C. Remove the fried samosas with a slotted spoon and place them on a paper towel to remove any excess oil. Your delicious homemade samosas are now ready to be served. Enjoy them hot with tamarind chutney or mint chutney. They are perfect for snacking or as an appetizer for parties and gatherings. Enjoy!